Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a Japanese term called Keiretsu. It's a Japanese term referring to a business network made up of different companies, including manufacturers, supply chain partners, distributors, and occasionally even financiers. They work together and have a close relationship, sometimes take a small equity stake in each other, all the while remaining operationally independent. Translated literally, Keiretsu means headless combine. Powerful families known as Zaibatsu's once ran the majority of Japan's major industry. That all changed after World War II when the United States came in and busted up these structures. Zaibatsu's were seen as a monopolistic and undemocratic, reportedly buying politicians in exchange for contract and using pricing mechanisms that exploited the poor. Faced with economic hardship after the war, Japanese companies responded by reorganizing themselves as Keiretsus. Japanese corporations value having close ties with one another. Working together rather than keeping others at arm's length is believed to be mutually beneficial for all parties. In fact, decades after its formation, it still represents major parts of country's economy. It has even gone on to influence business practice in other countries, although in a looser form. In Japan, where companies are expected to cooperate, this process are regulated by specific laws. Outside the country, the term generally refers to informal alliance between more than two organizations. There are some advantage and disadvantage. Working closely can bring many benefits. Company in this setup can leverage each other's expertise to become stronger and better. Information shared among customers, suppliers, and employees within this setup, which can lead to increased efficiency. As a result of information sharing, investment decision can be made faster, and suppliers, employees, and customers know the purpose and the goals of those investments. However, there are also some drawbacks. Critics point out that their large size makes it difficult for to quickly adjust to market changes, and that limited competition leads to inefficient practices. Another potential issue is easy access to capital. Close relationship within a bank might encourage a company to embark on a risky debt-fueled strategy that an outside institution would probably never help to finance. Thanks for watching. Bye.